A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE models. Coming to the update, this is a monthly security patch update. After installing this update, the phone is upgraded to the February security patch. The size of this update is 310.73 MB. Also, in this video, I'm going to share the storage differences, Geekbench scores, 3D Mark stress test scores before and after the update, and my user review after more than 24 hours of usage. Coming to the storage, before downloading the update, it was showing 87.1 GB. I have already started downloading the update. Once it completes, I'll start the installing. This phone is receiving updates on time, and till now, I haven't faced any issues with these monthly security patch updates. The update took around 5 minutes to complete, and make sure you do not press any buttons during this process. This is the storage after completing the update. Now it is showing 86.5 GB. Next, here are the Geekbench CPU scores before and after the update. As you can observe here, there is an increase and a decrease in CPU single core and multi-core scores, but there is no major impact in real world usage. Next, here are the 3D Mark stress test results before and after the update. There is a difference in the numbers and FPS. When it comes to changes and issues on my device, there are no noticeable changes or issues, guys. Battery backup is the same as before, and there are no green line issues either. So that's the update review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Yes, you can install it on your mobile phone. My device is working superbly good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video, and don't forget to like and share this video so that it reaches to more Samsung S25 FE users like you.